Pharisees and scribes from Jerusalem came to Jesus and said, "Why do your disciples break away from the tradition of the elders? They do not wash their hands when they eat food." He called the people to him and said, "Listen and understand. What goes into the mouth does not make a man unclean. It is what comes out from the mouth that makes him unclean." Then the disciples came to him and said, "Do you know that the Pharisees were shocked when they heard what you said?" He replied, "Any plant my heavenly Father has not planted will be pulled up by the roots. Leave them alone. They are blind men leading blind men. And if one blind man leads another, both will fall into a pit." My dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, in today's gospel, Jesus is saying, they are blind leaders of the blind. And if one blind person leads another, both will fall into a pit. Who are the blind leaders referred to in the gospel? They are Pharisees and scribes. Why Jesus is calling them blind leaders? Because of their hypocrisy. Because they do not practice what they preach. In today's gospel, we find the Pharisees and scribes who are unnecessarily accusing the disciples for breaking the traditions and customs. They say that the disciples of Jesus are eating without washing their hands. In those days, eating without washing hands was considered as an offense against the religious custom. In their hurry, the disciples might have forgotten the custom of washing the hands. And they are accused. They are humiliated in public. To humiliate someone in public is not a right thing. It is more offensive than breaking the custom of washing hands. Jesus is coming to defend his disciples. He says that what goes into the mouth does not make anyone unclean. What does Jesus mean from saying this? Jesus means that the food that one eats will not defile a person. What is defiling a person is evil that is going into one's heart. In the case of disciples, they were eating food without washing hands. What will happen if one eats food without washing hands? At the most, his health may be affected, but his soul will not be affected. In the case of Pharisees and scribes, they were keeping evil in their heart. Their heart is defiled. If the heart is defiled, the whole person is defiled. Because of the same reason, when they speak evil. They humiliate others. In this sense, they become blind leaders. A blind leader will endanger the life of others also. He is not able to see the right path. His life and the life of those who follow him will be in danger. We are called to be true leaders, good leaders in the society, in our families. A true leader is the one who is leading others to safety and prosperity. He will be ready to sacrifice his life for others. He will not speak ill of others. He will always encourage others and make others grow. My dear brothers and sisters, the true leader before us is Jesus Christ. Let us follow Jesus, who is the true leader in our life.